Isabel thinking that I'm not coming back here.
No, Thomas is the one saying I'm bringing my bike next time.
Good morning, Philippines!
Minimize the taxes you'll pay in retirement. My wife and I, what's going on there, things become very clear. I'm just very fortunate and thankful that I have the guys from retirement architecture in my life. When with that, it broke it down systematically. They're architects. They build your retirement. I won't build a house without an architect. I'm not building my retirement without an architect. We're offering anyone between the ages of 50 and 75 a free set of custom blueprints, or even including the shipping and handling. Welcome back to Fox and Friends. A couple of quick headlines for you. World leaders sending well wishes to President Trump and the First Lady after they tested positive for COVID-19. Just moments ago, Chinese President Xi Jinping hoping the two have, quote, an early recovery. Of course, that's after Chinese newspapers trashed the president. Consider that. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson offering similar. It works on the Hill. Obviously has the same obligations, and the number one thing we've learned, obviously mask wearing and hand washing are things that can be done on an individual basis to control
It's in your face. He sits in your face. Oh my god, little boy. Oh my goodness. Hobbs, you're my cute little man ever. Seriously, honey. Give you a kiss, hon. Lucky gave you kisses. Oh, look at that. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
He joins us now with the president's facing in the days ahead. Senator, thanks so much for being here.
Good morning, everything. Pag-edit tayo ng video, sobrang aga, guys. Well, actually, yun. Nagawa tayo ng French toast. Dami yung paggawain ko kasi maganda siya, pero tulog pa siya eh. Alam nyo, yung binili ni Tami kahapon, pasensya na sa buhok ko ha, kagigising lang namin. Yung binili ni Tami kagahapon na yung sa Taco Bell, ang sarap. Yun yung dinner namin kagabi. Masarap talaga siya, guys. Hello guys, so ngayon guys, andito tayo sa sasakyan. Hintay ko lang si Tami kasi siya grocery. So umalis kami sa bahay kasi dahil magpunta kami sa yung sa matanda, may kailangan siya. And yun. And then tumawag yung kapatid ni Tami din. Sabi pa niya pupunta daw siya dito at saka yung anak niyang lalaki. So yun. Sabi ko kay Tami, wag kang magtagal doon dahil pupunta yung kapatid mo. So yun, sabi ko. So and then may bibilhin siya dito kasi tinanong niyang yung nephew niya, pamangkin niyang lalaki na kung ano yung gusto. Sabi pa niya, gusto daw niya yung chips. Yun. So bibili si Tami. And then yung matanda nagpabili din ng sigarilyos. Anyway, so I will see you later. And hinihintay ko lang si Tami. Kababa lang niya, pumunta doon, dito siya sa Hannaford bumili ng mga gamit and yung bibilhin niya. And then after that, punta tayo sa matanda. What did you get?
Oh, I got the chips, I got the broccoli, the carrots,
and
mini hot dogs.
what is
I got
this?
a couple packs of Cold Cuts that were like mini hot dogs.
Oh, why you get 2 chips? And why you get me rice?
Jalapeno one.
Huh? Why you get me rice? I have a lot of rice. I
got
have.
some cat food because I know you didn't get out to get cat food.
I'm gonna go to Walmart.
I got her lasagna and I got some mac and cheese.
How much did you separate? How much is it? Okay, he is here, and I told him, but he got a lot anyway. Okay, It's right there.
Ooh.
And is it busy a lot over there? Did you find what she asked you for?
I didn't find cigarettes. I didn't have them there, so I had to stop and get cigarettes somewhere else. Gas station.
Why did you get Kit Kats?
Yeah.
Ah, wonderful laughter. Her hair is rebanded or just ironed. Okay, guys, so we are heading to.
Same place else in here. Maybe sell cigarettes.
Let's go now.
Yeah.
Then if you can't, you can't, hon. That's it. We're not roaming around looking for that.
Well, I can get it at a gas station.
No. Okay, go. Don't let this guy go.
So he came forward too. I went forward into his lane. He went forward into my lane. That was the guy I squeezed next to. In case you're wondering.
Yeah, I know. One eye.
That's a whole joke too, huh?
So I finally wear Tommy's earring that he gave me. Remember that with the black diamond thing online? You order 3 of them and I end up keeping the 3. He ordered, they was long time ago, I think 3 years ago. He's looking for a black diamond, okay? Do you remember that? And over here. Han, seriously, you said you ordered in Macy's and I think it's even fake.
It's not fake. The guy at Macy's is certainly not fake. What the hell are you kidding me?
So he ordered 3 and I end up having the 3.
The only time I ever bought fake stuff is when you asked me, oh, I really like this. I bet it's junk. Well, I like it though.
I
never go out and get fake stuff. I don't care if it's really nice looking, I don't get it.
Ayaw doon yun yung fake. So anyway, I'm not a big fan of earrings that is like hula hoop. It's a hoop like this.
This way when you're bored, you can take it out and do a hula hoop. Put it around your waist and just do it.
So I said, oh, maybe it's time to. I'm gonna tie my hair and wear it. It's because it's kind of annoying. Like if you do like this, I can feel it. Like it's like a round. Okay. Some people like to have big one like
You're not supposed to be
this.
shaking your head like this.
Malapit na kami, guys. And maganda na yung mga dahon dito, as in.
Home Depot? We didn't go to Home Depot.
Huh?
We didn't go to Home Depot.
I said maganda na yung mga dahon. The leaves is beautiful already. Andun si Tami na kanina, mga 10 minutes na kami dito, naghintay lang ako kay Tami. Andun siya. Hindi ako sumama. Kasi kapag sumama ko doon, mas lalong tumatagal. And then, papunta pa naman yung kapatid ni Tami sa sa bahay. So yaon. Hindi talaga sila nagpunta dito, yung parang mga family ba? Yung mga anak. Kasi look, ang dumi-dumi sa paligid. Yung mga dahon, kahit basura, andun pa. Yun yung mahirap, no? Kapag tumanda ka dito sa Amerika. Yun yung talagang, tumanda ka sa Amerika, plus wala kang family. Kung may family ka man, then hindi ka asikasuhin, ganun. And then, kung wala kang pera, kung matanda ka, and then wala kang pera, ang patutunguhan mo is nursing home. Wala kang pera, pero meron kang bahay. So, yung bahay mo is ibibinta. And then, doon ka sa nursing home. Yung government na yung magbayad sa nursing home kasi kinukunin lahat ng mga aari-arian mo. Ang tagal. Sabi ko, wag kang magtagal. Pero, of course, nagtagal. It's 12 o'clock na. Si Talia ba? Parang hindi tumatanda, Pina-follow ko siya sa Instagram. Magbasa tayo ng mga comment. Let me see kung makapagbasa tayo ng comment dito. Magpa-shoutout. Ganito tayo, shoutout tayo. Mga nag-comment, yung vlog na yung niloko ko si Tami na gusto ata ng Gerger. Rory Cabaltis, hello. And also si Evangelina Andreano, hello po. At saka si Avelina Karel. At saka si Rosie Paalisbo, Elsa Maglalang. At si Nieves Roadel. At saka si Prissy Arayes. At saka si Nelia Rivas, hello. Nora Sanchez, hello po. Lini Ganda Ingan, hello sis. At saka si Razel Hernandez. And si Imelda Soriano. Si Jovi Daklan, hello sis. Milagros Garcia. Garcia. Idna De Vera, hello. Hilda Colona Agapito, hello po. Nida Macob. Si Melissa Reyes, hey sis, I always see you over here sa comment section. Madami-dami din kayo palagi dito sa comment section. At saka si Zoldek, hindi ko alam. Raymond Montalvo, hello po Raymond. At saka si Ima Gilbores. Alam mo, manonood sana ako ng news ngayon, kaso yung alam nyo na, yung nangyari sa presidente, kaso hindi tayo makapanood. Pinatay ko yung sasakyan and also wala tayong live na TV. Okay, so I'm hungry. It's already 12:16. I need to eat rice, guys. My stomach is asking for rice, and yes, rice is life. We are here, guys. This house is freezing cold. This house is cold, my God. And alam nyo guys, the other day naglalaba ako ng blanket. So ngayon, dinadry ko siya, diba? So dinadry ko siya. Hindi siya masyadong na-dry. And then dinadry ko ulit. Kasi malaki kasi ito guys. Pasensya na ha. Yun, malaki kasi. So mahirap, diba? So inano ko siya kasi naglukot-lukot. Kung sa Tagal, Bisaya pa, naglukot-lukot. So binungkag ko. Binungkag ko siya. And then dinadry ko ulit. Nandun siya for 2 days sa dryer. Pinabayaan ko. Sus, pagkuha ko guys, ang amoy, diba, yung amoy na basa, na hindi man siya basa, may pagka pa basa-basa konti, and then nandun siya. Sus, iba yung amoy guys. Alam niyo yung amoy na amoy na hindi magandang amoy. Yun, sabi ko, putsak na to. So nilabhan ko ulit kagabi. Sus, nakalimutan kong ibula guys. So yun, buti na lang na siya. Naalala ko. Ito yung mga binili ni Tami. Ito yung request ng niya. So magluto ako ng, I told you to get me a small bag of carrots.
Carrots?
Yeah, I know, but this is a big bag. Do you have a smaller bag?
The big bag was like stupidity. The small bag only had like 3 in them. Okay,
so I'm cooking gulay mamaya. Vegetables, carrots, and ito. And we're kind of hungry, so what we're gonna do is we're going to eat the, what is it, honey?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.
That's a deal. That's a deal?
And you get big bags of this. Seriously, my birthday sa kapitbahay. I think anak nila nagbi-birthday. So yun. May pa-party si Miora. This is what happened guys when he buy big rice. Now he's struggling where to put all the rice. There's no empty bags, bin. There's no empty bin.
Yeah, we need to fill these 2 up. That would be 1 big bag.
Dito kami ngayon sa lake guys, kasama yung mga kapatid ni Tami. People do biking here.
What? You can't go biking here?
No, you can. They do that here.
That's not too good.
Yeah.
What is it?
You're not supposed to go that fast.
He also
Supposed to
has,
do it slow increments.
he also has like this, across the back on his phone. But they're not.
That reminds me, Big Lots this weekend is like giving away
Look at this one.
Oh, Lucky?
It's just
Yeah.
down. And 35, 37.
Your excursion, figure it out.
30. This is nice here. Oh, look, I can see the tree. It's a lot of tree.
You see the forest, see the trees. Oh, amazing.
Ay, honey. Don't be like that. Oh.
Oh, this is easy to find. You can reach these,
What?
Real spiky.
you know, and the whole river.
Oh, yeah. Until one of them snaps.
You want to be Mr.
Kapagod eh. Kapagod maglakad. Han. What is that?
I guess you're 3/4 of a mile. That would be my guess.
What?
0.75.
Oh, yeah, that's 3/4 of a mile.
That means if you turn back now, you go a mile and a half.
No, I just wanna see. May tubig dito, oh. There's water. May bahay-bahay dito, look. Oh, nice. Look at it.
There's 6.
You how far back that goes?
Oh, yeah. My goodness. It's really far. Balik pa kami, guys, kasi
Those are Native American.
malayo pala. So, balik.
I guess the ones behind us.
Isabel thinking that I'm not coming back here.
No, Thomas is the one saying, I'm bringing my bike next time.
Oh, Thomas planning to come back.
It's because the house is good. MaryAnn's bike. I got a good move by it.
What's the matter?
I told you when I used it to do it.
Okay, well, did you do it? Oh.
It's so pretty over here, guys. Tignan nyo. Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Seems like I gotta slow down a little bit.
Okay, guys. Pauwi na kami. Tingnan nyo. Oh, he's taller than me. And I'm very tall and he's getting shorter. Thomas. Oh, that doggy. Look at that. Dito na tayo. Ang ganda ng kahoy, oh. You see the tree, Thomas? Look nice. You wanna drive, Han? Gumawa po kami ng salad. Ako magluluto po ako ng gulay, guys. Broccoli. And then carrots. Yun, ginanon ko lang siya. I-stick lang yung meat namin. Let me see, B. Yes, they both eat, Han. They're leaving na. Han, what is this, honey?
What? That's what we got.
Oh, this is what Yvonne gave you? Yeah. Aalis na sila. That's the kid that you seen in my long time ago vlog. And now he is taller than me. And these two dogs doesn't forget him. And now he doesn't want to be in the vlog, so I'm gonna cover his face. And but you see him before when he was a baby, and he do mukbang, guys. Remember, we do mukbang with him when he was like, he's not a baby, but he is something. I don't know how old Thomas that time. 9 years old. Thomas is so excited to do mukbang. Yeah.
No change. She still does.
And then Thomas said when we do mukbang, this is good. The breakfast, we did mukbang with McDonald's. The three of us, actually. Not just the two of us, the three of us. And now he is, I know he has a YouTube, guys, but he doesn't want to tell me. So I want to support him, but he doesn't want to be published, but it's up to him. Why you give up? Don't give up. Look at me. It's been a long time. I'm still here.
My channel somehow got deleted, so.
Why? Somebody deleted it? You deleted it? No? Or you forgot the password?
I didn't forget the password.
Did she know? Did your mom know?
You got hacked?
Are we talking about your little extra snowman? Is that what they're talking about?
Yeah.
He used to love that stupid snowman.
I still have it here, you know?
Do you?
I put it every Christmas.
He was so funny.
And then every time I play it, it reminds me of you and Thomas.
You love that stupid thing.
And mom loves it. What happened? Hala, is that a bite?
No. Bite pills. That he wouldn't put any antibiotic on me. Right now it's probably a scar because it looks like it was a little nasty.
Anyway guys, may nagtitik lang ako ng oil. Olive oil. Oh, hindi, oil yung, I don't know, oregano oil. But anyway, ang tapang. Anyway guys, it's 10:35 na ng gabi, and then kakarating lang din ng kapatid ni Tami sa bahay nila. 1 oras kalahati yung drive. So nanonood kami ng show. Nakatulog ako guys, sabi ko matulog na ako guys. So iyan na namin itong vlog. Thank you guys so much sa pagsama. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Good night guys.